Hello friends. So today's task, write a C program to convert decimal number to binary number. So how to convert a decimal number to binary number? Okay. So we can go to compiler, GDB online compiler. Okay. So first, suppose we need to input a number like we need to input number 5. Okay. How to calculate the binary number? So suppose 5 is there, then we can divide that number by 2. Okay, so this we can divide it by 2, and 2 to 2, that is 4, balance is 1, remainder is 1. So using these two, we can again divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1, 1 into 2, 2, the remainder is 0. Again, you can need to use this one, 1 divided by 2, that is 0. So we need to check up to 0, this level. 2 into 0, that is 0, the remainder is 1. So we need to loop like this. We need to divide it, that number, whatever we input, we need to divide by 2 up to 0, and we will get these remainders here. So we need to reverse this remainder like this. So first we need to give this one, second this one, that is 0, and third one, this one, that is 1. So this is the binary number of 5, 1, 0, 5. 2 raised to 0, that is 1. 2 raised to 1, this is 0. This is 2 raised to 2, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Right? So we need to implement this logic. So here we can give printf, enter your number, enter your number, then slash n, then we need to scanf that data, scanf percentage d. We need to give one variable here, int. Now you can initialize that value to 0, and here we can scan that data. And now then we need to check, we need to use one loop for dividing this number and calculating the remainder like that. So here we can use one while loop while we need to calculate this number greater than 0. Then we need to first calculate the remainder, right? So here we can put one more remainder equal to 0. Here we can calculate the remainder equal to num mod 2. Then we will get the remainder. Then we need to add this remainder to one array. So to get one array here, AR, we can use length up to 10. Okay. So here we can tell AR. Here we need one variable also. AR of 0, AR of 1, like that we need to implement, right? So here we can put one variable I equal to 0. So AR of I is equal to, you can put this reminder, REV, right? Now we need to increment this I. We can use I plus plus. Then we need to divide by 2, right? Divided by 2. So num equal to num by 2. Okay. So it will loop up to 0, right? Then we need to loop this array in reverse order. So here we can use one for loop for int j equal to, we can use this I minus 1. J equal to I minus 1 and j greater than 0. We can put like this, j greater than 0 and j plus plus, j minus minus. We can minus that data. We can minus that data, right? Okay. So this means we will increment every time I, right? So we can use I minus 1. It is minus 1 and j greater than or equal to 0 up to greater than 0. Okay. And j minus 1, j minus minus, then we can print off the data. Print of percentage d AR of j. So this will print array in reverse order, right? Okay. So then return 0. Here we need to give one more condition because we are giving zeros. We need to just print it, that is one. Okay. We don't want to go to here. Okay. So here we can check if num equal to 0, then we can printf just 0. And again we can return. Yeah, we don't want to calculate anything in the downside, right? Okay, then we can just run this. enter your number. You can put 0, value 0, then 1, that's also 1, then 2, then is 1 0, that means 0, 0 is to 0, 2 is to 1, right? Then 4, then 1 0 0, correct, right? Then 9 1 0 0 1, right? There is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, we can give 10 here, then we'll get 10 0 10 0, yes. So now we successfully convert decimal number to binary. Okay. Okay, thank you.